In this video, I hope to show you how to replace the display of vivo y11. You can see back cover removal process, and you can disconnect the antenna and speaker, and also you can remove each nails just like this, because internal parts should be removed from the metallic frame, because before installing this new display, every unwanted particle should be cleaned. It means some of glue coat. You can see battery removal process just like this, glue coat removal process, and this old display removal process. Now you can see the metallic frame cleaning process, because it is compulsory to remove unwanted dust and previously applied glue coat just like this. You can see black powder like glue coat just like this. This impurity should be removed. You can do it using sharp blade, and you can clean it using cotton. Now you can insert new display just like this, because this is testing process, because it is compulsory to identify temporary process, because it is working or not working. I hope to check it just like this. You can see vivo logo is loading. This may take several times, several seconds. It is depending on your phone's performance. Now you can see it is working very well. I hope to check each nook and corner by touching here and there. It is very simple process. Now you can see it is working. I hope to disconnect them just like this, and I hope to install it permanently, because first of all I hope to remove unwanted stickers, warranty stickers. I hope to recover the battery, because sometimes in removal process battery may be deformed. Okay, first of all I hope to insert the glue coat, new glue coat, because fixing process is very important. You can see it just like this. You can apply certain amount of glue coat. Don't apply too much, because this is critical process. You can install new display just like this. You can connect cable just like this, and also you can insert battery and back cover, internal motherboard, and any part. You can refix the nails just like this. You can install each nails, and I hope to reconnect speaker and antenna cables and any other. You can insert and install just like this. You can fix it just like this. You can see it is working very well. You can see vivo logo is loading. Now you have new display. Okay, I think this video will help you to get an idea how to fix and how to insert new display for the vivo phone.